Hello everyone, my name is Margrette and I'm a YouTuber. And I grew up from a poor family. I'm making this video as a response to Buknoy Glamurrr. So if you think that being a tricycle driver is a very lowly job, I think you should think twice. I grew up with my parents having no permanent jobs. There were times when we don't really have anything, no food, no money. However, I still managed to grow up with values, dignity, and I hardly step on people. I'm not like you. So if you're thinking that people will still support you even if you step on other people who did not really do anything to hurt you, think again. You are not a social media influencer if you're like that. You're still alive, you have still time to change, and I hope you change for the better. I hope this video reaches Buknoy Glamurrr. God bless you, day. Ay pagpakauwaw. Kay wa kay labtis mga tao. Thank you guys.